I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact font families and weights you need. This saves bandwidth and complexity. Once done, copy the provided embed link or the @import string and place it in your HTML head or main CSS file. Make sure to prefer WAF2 formats for modern browsers and to only include the styles you'll actually use, because fewer variants mean faster load times and simpler font face calls. Now you declare the fonts in CSS so the browser knows how to apply them. You'll set font family with sensible fallbacks, for example Roboto, Arial, Sans Serif, and then apply specific font weight and font style values that match the imported variants. Also add font display. Swap to your font face or rely on the provider's setting. This ensures text remains readable while fonts load. Make sure to test different weights to confirm they match. Finally, apply your fonts across the site by assigning them to body, headings, or utility classes so styling is consistent. Once applied, open DevTools to confirm font files are loading and that they return 200 with correct MIME types. If you see a fallback font instead, check that the family name exactly matches, that you imported the weights you use, and that cross-origin headers, cores, or font display settings aren't blocking them. One troubleshooting tip: enable network throttling to replicate slow loads and verify font display behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.